Okay, this is lesson 15, problem set. Question 1. Name the quadrant in which each of the point lies. If the point does not lie in a quadrant, specify which axis the point lies on. So, quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. The first one, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Okay, the properties of each quadrant. We said in the first quadrant, both the x and the y coordinate are positive. In the second quadrant, the x coordinate is negative, but the y coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, both the x and the y are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the x coordinate, is positive, and the y coordinate is negative. So let's look here. -2, 5. So -2, and then up 5. That's in the second quadrant. Let's look at B. 9.2, 7. So positive 9.2, and then positive 7. That's the first quadrant. Let's look at letter C, 0, -4. So my x-axis, on this x-axis, we are at point 0, which is right in the middle. And then we go down 4 spaces on our y-coordinate, y-axis, I apologize. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that does not lie in a quadrant, but it lies on the y-axis. Let's look at number 2. It says Jackie claims that points with the same x and y coordinates must lie in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Do you agree or disagree? Let's check this out. If we have 1, 1, that would be in our quadrant 1. So that works. Let's try another one with negatives. Let's do -8, -8. That would be over 8, down 8. That would be quadrant 3. So that works. I do agree, however, if I have the point 0, 0, that falls in my origin, neither quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. So do I agree? I disagree. Why? Because of the origin.